Attempt to repair James Brooke. Today is 5/22/2024, 79 degrees Fahrenheit outside. 2 damaged shingles here. This is our work area. Go 2 rows up. Okay, here's our damaged shingle. A little bit of material transfer, not the worst. It's going to be certainteed 3-tab, going to be a CT20. Shingle's going to be discontinued. Okay. Granular loss is good. Nails are going to be good. Fortunately, the issue we're having is the transfer. See that? Shingles are pliable. Not the worst, but that's a problem. It's material transfer. Look at that one. Same thing here. Not that bad. A little bit. Alright, so material transfer is going to be our worst reason. A little bit of granular loss, but not the worst. It's right here. You can see the chunks. This one's really bad. See right here? That's a whole chunk. And you can see it's torn all the way through both layers of the shingle. Here again, the shingles are actually too young to be separated because they're probably 12 years old. Same thing here. Every one of these shingles is material transfer, and there's tearing and there's holes. So all these nail holes, those are unacceptable. All the material transfer holes, unacceptable. This attempt to repair is going to be a fail.